Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, John. How are you today?
Hi, Alice. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. I just got back from the shopping mall, and I wanted to share my experience with you. Do you often go to the mall?
Yes, I go to the mall quite often. I enjoy visiting different shops, checking out new products, and sometimes eating at the food court. What did you do at the mall today?
Today, I went to the mall to shop for some clothes and accessories. I visited a few of my favorite stores and even found a few good offers. It was a very fun and busy day.
That sounds nice, Alice. I usually like to visit the electronics store and a bookshop at the mall. I also sometimes check out the sportswear shops. Did you find any good offers today?
Yes, I did. I found a sale at a popular clothing store. They had a buy one, get one half off offer on summer dresses. I bought 2 dresses at a very good price.
Wow, that is a great deal. I always look for such offers. When I go shopping, I like to compare prices and see if there are any discounts.
I agree. Discounts make shopping more enjoyable and help save money. I also looked at accessories. There was a store with stylish handbags and shoes at discounted prices.
That is interesting. I love accessories too. I remember last month I bought a new watch from a store that had a 30% discount. It was a smart purchase.
Yes, I think the mall has many attractive offers. I also liked the way the shops were organized. It was very easy to find what I was looking for.
I like that too. The mall has clear signs and a good map near the entrance. It makes shopping more convenient. Sometimes I even use the mall directory on my phone.
That is a useful feature. I noticed that some stores have their own apps now, where you can check the latest deals before you go. It makes planning your shopping trip easier.
Exactly. I use my phone to check for coupons and discounts at my favorite shops. For example, the electronics store often has a coupon that you can use online or at the counter.
That is very smart, John. I also plan my shopping list before I go to the mall. I write down the items I need so I do not waste time or money on things I do not require.
Planning is very important. I always make a list too. It helps me avoid impulse buying. I usually buy what I need, and sometimes a little extra if there is a good sale.
Yes, impulse buying can be a problem. I learned that by sticking to a list, I save more money and buy only useful items.
Speaking of useful items, did you see the new gadget store at the mall? I passed by it yesterday. They have many new electronic devices at reasonable prices.
I did see that store. I was curious about a new set of wireless headphones they had on display. I checked the price, and it was quite attractive.
Wireless headphones are very popular these days. I sometimes look for them when I need to listen to music while traveling. I think the technology has improved a lot.
True, the sound quality and battery life of these devices are much better now. I also like that many stores offer free trials or demonstrations so you can test the product before buying it.
That is a good idea. I always try to test the products, especially electronics, to see if they work well. It is a good way to decide if the product is worth the money.
Exactly. I had a good experience at a beauty store too. I asked a staff member about a new skincare product. She explained how to use it and even gave me a sample to try at home.
That is very helpful. Good customer service can make a big difference in shopping. When staff are friendly and knowledgeable, it makes the whole experience more pleasant.
I agree. I feel happy when the employees are kind and willing to help. It makes me want to come back to the store again.
Yes, good service builds trust. I sometimes speak with the cashiers as well. They often wish me a good day, and it creates a positive atmosphere.
Speaking of atmosphere, I loved the interior of the mall today. The music was soft, the lights were warm, and the common areas were clean and comfortable.
The design of the mall is very modern and inviting. I like how there are many comfortable seating areas where you can rest between shopping.
Yes, I took a short break at a seating area near the food court. I had a cup of coffee and a pastry, and it was very relaxing.
The food court at the mall is one of my favorite places. I enjoy trying different cuisines there. Sometimes I get a quick meal and it tastes fresh and tasty.
I love the food court too. There are many choices from local food to international dishes. Today, I saw a stall that offered healthy salads and fresh juices, and I was very impressed.
Healthy food is always a plus. I try to choose meals that are both delicious and good for me. It is a good way to balance shopping with healthy living.
Exactly. The mall gives you many opportunities to do that. It is not just about buying products, it is a full experience.
I agree. When I go to the mall, I enjoy the variety of activities available. I can shop, eat, and even catch a movie in the cinema.
The cinema is another great feature. I often go there to watch the latest movies, and it makes the shopping trip even more fun.
Yes, the cinema is excellent. I remember watching a new action movie last weekend. It was exciting and made me feel very entertained.
That is wonderful, John. A mall like this is a place where you can spend the whole day enjoying different activities.
True. I also like that many stores in the mall have regular sales or special events. It makes me feel like I am getting more value for my money.
I agree. Sales and discounts are very attractive. When I see a store with a 50% off sign, I always check it out, even if I do not plan to buy anything immediately.
Sales are a great opportunity to save money and try new products. I sometimes buy items on sale that I later use every day.
It feels good to know that you can find quality items at a lower price. I believe that the mall experience is not only about shopping, but also about enjoying the moment.
Absolutely. I enjoy the energy and the vibrant atmosphere of the mall. It is a place where you can meet friends, try new foods, and even relax.
I like that too. I sometimes run into old friends at the mall, and we chat for a while before continuing our shopping. It makes the day more social and fun.
Meeting friends is one of the best parts of the mall experience. I think it is a place that brings people together and makes our community feel closer.
Yes, I feel that way too. I have a list of my favorite stores and food stalls, and I like to share them with my friends. It is like building a little guide to the mall.
That is a great idea, Alice. I have a similar list. I often share it with my family so that we know where to go on weekends.
We should exchange our lists sometime. I might get some new ideas from you, and I can share my favorite places with you.
I would love that. It is always good to learn about new shops and good deals from a friend.
Thank you for this lovely conversation, John. Talking about our shopping experiences makes me appreciate the mall even more.
Thank you, Alice. I enjoyed our chat as well. It is nice to share our tips, our favorite stores, and our special offers. It makes the shopping trip more meaningful.
Let's keep in touch and maybe plan a shopping trip together soon. I would love to explore the mall with you and check out the new offers.
That sounds like a great plan, Alice. I'll text you when I have some free time, and we can plan a day to go shopping, and maybe even watch a movie.
Perfect. I look forward to our next shopping adventure. Have a wonderful day, John, and enjoy your shopping.
You too, Alice. Take care and goodbye.
Goodbye, John.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.